Hi and welcome back. In this video I'm gonna show you how to replace battery in 2015 Volkswagen Tiguan. This is gonna apply to Volkswagen Tiguan made from 2009 and all the way up to 2017. If you have Tiguan that's 2018 and newer, this is gonna be very similar procedure. First I'm gonna open the hood by pulling this hood release handle. Now I'm gonna open the hood by pushing this plastic lever up and lifting up the hood. Next step is to locate your battery. So battery on this vehicle is located on driver's side right under this plastic cover. To remove this cover, you'll simply have to push on this plastic tab and lift the cover up, then pull it towards yourself. Tools I'm gonna be using to remove this battery is gonna be Ratchet with 10mm deep socket, also 13mm deep socket. If you don't have ratchet and sockets, you can always use 10mm wrench. First I'm gonna remove negative cable of the battery by using 10mm socket. Remove it and put it on the side. Next, I'm gonna do the same with the positive cable. Remove it on the side. And now I will remove battery hold on that's secure with 13mm bolt. And for that I'm using ratchet with extension and 13mm socket. And now I'm going to remove it. Go. And now at this point I will remove the old battery out. Now when I have the old battery out, I'm gonna show you what is the difference if you have Volkswagen Tiguan that's 2018 and newer. So instead of your battery hold down position here, on 2018 and newer Tiguans, you will have battery hold-ons position right in this area here. And now I'm gonna install new battery into the tray. And now when I have new battery nicely fitted into the battery tray, first I'm gonna connect positive cable to positive pole of the battery. And then I'll do the same with negative pole. And now I'm gonna tighten up both positive and negative cable. Remember, when you're installing new battery, when it's new connection, first put positive cable first and then negative cable first. And now last step is to put the battery holder back into the place. You just want to make sure it's nicely aligned with this hole right there. And then you can put this bolt back inside. Okay, I'm gonna use 13mm socket to tighten that hole down. And don't forget to put your battery cover back on. And that's it, job is completed. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you, bye.